Hi breakfast cereal eaters, and welcome to another edition of What's in the Box. So what have we got for this time? This is from 1977 and it's Weetabix Huckleberry Hound Funtastic Friend Cards. Let's take a look. So on the front of the packet you've got a picture of Huckleberry Hound advertising this promotion. On one of the sides you've got details of actually how to make the cutout scene and also a colouring scene, which I'll show you in a minute. On this side you've got details of the push out characters that you could collect, and then on the reverse you've actually got the actual scene to display them on as well. So as I mentioned, there was a colouring them in scene. You can just see it in there, but I'll show you another example later on. So there were 3 of these packets to collect. This is East 36th Street. There was also Lazy Ranch. And finally, there was Dark Oaks, the haunted one. Now in the small packets, the 12 sizes, they didn't actually have a scene, but you had this very colourful image on the reverse. And inside, this is what one of the colour them in scenes looks like that I was referencing. So the cards themselves, this is how they came. They came in 3s or 6s, depending on whether it was a 24 size packet or a 48. And in this case, this is only a 3. They've sort of got this sort of semi-glue fixing them together that when you pulled it apart carefully, there you go, it revealed in this case another character. This one's Lippy the Lion. And you'll see that these can push out, and then you fold the base in so that you can actually sort of stand it actually up against the display scene. So that's one of the blocks that you could actually get. This is what the full set of 18 looks like. And if you're interested in this and other cereal offers, please go to my website, cerealoffers.com, click on Weetabix, and then Weetabix.